What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be covering Jasmy as it has recently exploded. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So just to give a little recap, this was Jasmy in my previous video trading at just over half of a penny. And I called out the massive Class A bullish divergence, and I said that price action had finally gotten back above the 50-day moving average. So I said based on that alone, I wouldn't be surprised if we ended up hitting this falling wedge's measured move. Fast forward to the current Jasmy chart, and we broke out way above the measured move. And we had finally gotten back above 1 penny. So had you guys bought Jasmy at the time that I was talking about it, you could have made 91.4% gains in 6 days. If you compare that to the stock market, where the average return is 10% in a year, that would mean we made in 6 days what the stock market makes in over 9 years, which are incredible gains. And if you enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. But I will go deeper into the Jasmy chart at the end of the video, and there are some things that you need to see, so make sure you stay tuned. So now that I've started recording this video, Jasmy has broken right back beneath 1 penny. But either way, this is significantly better than where we were previously. And then the market cap is 487 million, which ranks 125th among all cryptocurrencies. And similar to price action dropping, the market cap had reached over 500 million. And then their circulating supply is just under 49.3 billion out of a max supply of 50 billion, which is about 98.6% in circulation. Now, if you guys are looking to trade Jasmy, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop into the Jasmy X account, which has 105,000 followers. And they've actually only posted 2 times since my last Jasmy video, and they're talking about the same thing. So just 8 hours ago, hello Jasmy community. Thank you for your participation in the recent AMA. For those who were not able to attend, I will share the contents of the AMA. Now this right here is a lot more bullish for Jasmy than you might think. See, you have to understand, a lot of people have very mixed opinions about Jasmy. There are some people that absolutely love this project and some people that hate this project and think it's a scam. And oftentimes one of the biggest reasons people think it's a scam is because of their lack of transparency. However, Jasmy is now doing AMAs, and you have to remember they also created a Telegram, both of which are going to help you get your community more involved. And the reality of the crypto market is that right now it is heavily driven based on hype and speculation. And one of the best ways to build hype around a project is to have a strong community. And that's what Jasmy is trying to accomplish. But now we'll go ahead and hop into some macro news that could affect Jasmy's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Jasmy. So this is WatcherGuru's X account. And just 39 minutes ago, Ethereum has passed $3,000. And this is huge. It was only just last week that Bitcoin passed $50,000. So it's very exciting to see that price action is finally pumping. It's been a long 2 to 3 years. And then they posted 16 hours ago, UK to release new crypto and stablecoin legislation within the next 6 months. Now, as long as this timeline holds true, it'll be something that we'll want to keep our eyes on, because oftentimes if something works, you will see a chain reaction. And then lastly, I want to show you this video February 17th. So Bitcoin is up 112% since Jim Cramer told investors to sell 11 months ago.
Bitcoin went up today, and I could argue that now it can't even be held in banks. Bitcoin's a strange animal. I will say point blank, I think it's being manipulated up. It was being manipulated the whole time by Sam Bankman-Fried. So please don't assume, therefore, that it's not still being manipulated. And I would sell my Bitcoin right into this rally. And believe me, I had been a believer one time in Bitcoin. Not here, not now.
And every time you see a video like this, it just goes to show that crypto is not going anywhere. It is here to stay. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I've been trying to grow my X account recently, and I've been posting on here pretty much every single day. And I've been making some very profitable calls. For example, I posted 3 cryptos on January 9th. And then I posted just yesterday that since making that post, MND is up 202%, Mora is up 124%, and GLQ is up 222%. So I definitely recommend giving me a follow. I think you guys might get some useful information. But also, if you guys wanted to take it a step further, I actually have a private Discord through Patreon. And at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers. But there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me. And you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. Not to mention, I have a very strong community that is also calling out fantastic projects. And just to show you guys a few of the gains we've been making, these are all off of buy alerts that I've been posting. GLQ 172% in 13 days. Mine token 602% in 11 days. Just to put this in perspective, if you invested $10,000 11 days ago, your $10,000 would be over $70,000. You absolutely cannot make those kind of gains anywhere else outside of crypto and outside of microcap gems. And the gains just keep going on and on. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage, and it's also in the description of the video. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Jasmy on the daily time frame. And as I said, had you guys bought Jasmy since the last time I talked about it, you could be up around 91% in less than a week, which are incredible gains. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? Now, the first thing is that because price action has went parabolic, the RSI and stochastics are extremely overbought. Does that mean it's impossible to continue pumping? No. However, it might suggest that we get a little bit of a pullback in the short term. But to that same point, I also want to point out something. So in my last video, I had said that there was a slight Class A bearish divergence on Jasmy. But I said if price action continues pumping, then it could negate the bearish divergence. And we did exactly that. So at least in the short term, there is no longer a Class A bearish divergence. Now, if I personally missed out on this explosive Jasmy move, what I'd be looking for is for Jasmy to start flagging out. And while it started to fill out this flag, the RSI and stochastic would start to reset. And then the 21-day moving average would start to creep up, and price action could potentially get a bounce off of it. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And Bitcoin actually has similar principles to Jasmy right now. So as most of you guys know, Bitcoin skyrocketed out of our bull flag and shot all the way up to 52,800. And it even closed a candle above this previous local high. However, the RSI and stochastics then got extremely overbought. And then if you go to the weekly time frame, there is a massive Class A bearish divergence on Bitcoin. If you look at price action, we swing from a lower high to a higher high. The RSI is higher high to lower high. So I've been saying, based on that alone, I won't be surprised if Bitcoin drops a little bit in the short term. And we ended up dropping from 52,800 to 50,800. But since then, we've actually bounced back up a little bit. But regardless, I definitely recommend keeping your eyes on the bearish divergence. It is a very strong Class A. So based on that, we definitely could get a pullback. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Jasmy will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.